Welcome to this demonstration of the bulk import feature in AD Photo Editor Pro. This powerful tool lets you import multiple photos to Active Directory accounts simultaneously. The Import tab is organized into clear steps, selecting your import source, configuring link options, and setting photo processing options. AD Photo Editor offers two import methods. CSV file import uses a spreadsheet to match accounts with photo files. Named Images Import uses file names that match account identifiers. For CSV import, select this option and browse for your file. The CSV should have two columns, the account identifier and the full path to the photo file. This is ideal when photos have different naming conventions. With Named Images Import, select a folder containing photos where each file name matches an account identifier. For example, a file named smith.jpg would link to the account with identifier Smith. The link photos using dropdown determines which AD attribute to match with. Select username if your identifiers are SM account names, email address for matching by email, or any other available attribute. You can process photos during import. Skip accounts that already have photos, resize images to standard dimensions, adjust quality to reduce file size, or add watermarks. These transformations happen automatically during import. When ready, click Import. A confirmation dialog shows all accounts and photos to be imported. Review this list and click Confirm to proceed. A progress indicator displays while the import runs. Once complete, a message shows how many photos were successfully imported. The bulk import feature saves significant time when adding photos from multiple users.